Hello guys, it's Dale here, and today I'd like to talk about swing trading idea on the Euro Swiss franc. And because we are going to talk about swing trading, we are going to look at a daily time frame. This is the time frame that I use when I do a swing trading analysis. So what you see before you is the Euro Swiss franc daily time frame, and the thing that I want to talk about is this downtrend which started in here, in this area. Now, if you look into this place, into this rotation area from which the downtrend started, then you can see that massive volumes were traded there. And this is telling us that this is an important zone. And it is an important zone because heavy volumes were accumulated there and strong sellers were active there. It was those sellers who then pushed the price downwards into this downtrend, right? And those sellers were getting ready for this manipulation right there inside this rotation, and they placed most of their short positions in here. This is where the volume profile is the widest in this area, right? This is an important zone. This heavy volume zone is an important zone, and that important zone begins in here. I printed a line there, so it's at 1.0375. This is where that heavy volume zone begins, and as you can see, this is also the place from which aggressive sell-off started, this huge aggressive selling candle. This candle shows the aggressivity of the sellers from this place and also the strength of those sellers in this place. So this area is now important zone, right? In here. When there is a pullback, it's likely that the sellers from this place will want to defend this area, this heavy volume zone where they placed so many of their shorts, and those guys will want to defend this place because it's important for them. So they'll try and push the price downwards from there, right? And this is what should make it a strong resistance. So that's the volume profile setup, right? Volume profile that points us to this heavy volume zone and to this resistance. Now there's also one thing, and the thing is first deviation of VWAP. VWAP is this yellow line, and those gray lines, those are the deviations. Now if those deviations align with heavy volume zones like in here, then they represent a very strong support or resistance zones. Now, obviously, as you can see, those deviations move in time. So it's not guaranteed that at the time of the pullback, this first deviation will be around the resistance. But if this first deviation is around this resistance somewhere in the area, then it will add strength to that resistance, right? So those first deviations are definitely worth checking out, because as I was saying, they add strength to volume-based levels like this one. Alright, so ideal case scenario is this first deviation getting a little bit closer to the level, pullback, and short from there, right? Combo of two trading setups, volume-based setup and first deviation of VWAP, which should work as a resistance. So yeah, that's for the Euro Swiss franc. Remember, this is swing trading, so we are looking at the daily time frame, and we also need to use wider stop loss and wider take profit for such trades. In this case, I would recommend using stop loss in here above this swing point, which is also behind this heavy volume area. So this could be a nice place for a stop loss. And you want to trade this at least with risk-reward ratio 1, that should be the minimum, and that would make the take profits somewhere in here. But you can go for more than that. You can, for example, aim your take profit at the VWAP, that's the yellow line. It tends to work as a magnet, and for that reason I like to use it as a take profit for my trades. Alright, Now, if you guys would like to learn more about trading with volume profile, VWAP, price action, and if you would also like to trade with me every day, then what I recommend is visiting my website. This is it. This is the website, trader-dale.com. And what I recommend is going to trading course and tools. So you click this button and it will take you to a page. You scroll down a bit. And what I recommend is getting the Elite Pack. There's a video which shows everything that's included in the Elite Pack. In short, the Elite Pack includes 15-hour-long video course on trading with volume profile. It includes my personal trading levels. Those are levels that I trade each day and that I publish in my members area. Those are intraday trading levels as well as swing trading levels. Now, the Elite Pack also includes volume profile pack, which is pack of my custom-made volume profile indicators, and also a couple of bonuses. Now, at the top of that, the Elite Pack also includes free tech support for Elite Pack members, and this means that our team will set up the NinjaTrader 8 platform for you with all my indicators. They will also load up my workspaces that I use. They'll connect you to data feed, and they'll do it all for free, as that's part of the service we provide to the Elite Pack members. All right, so this is what I recommend getting. Currently, we are running an Independence Day sale, which means that you can get the Elite Pack 50% discounted. You can get it in here. All right. So yeah, that's for that. That's for the video. Thanks for watching, and I'll be looking forward to seeing you next time in some next video or in our members area. Until then, happy trading.